Have you heard of Nkanozu? We the Igbo people believe it is synonymous with science and technology, and our ancestors believe that Nkanozu emanated from the Igbo spiritual entity known as Agwu. Agwu is believed to be the entity that shares knowledge, shares innovation, shares the knowledge of art, shares the knowledge of medicine, shares the knowledge of trade. They believe that Agwu amplifies knowledge and the creative parts of an individual. And therefore, through the marriage of Agwu and the commitment of people that it has chosen, it could lead to development and mind-chattering innovations. If you interpret this idea of Igbo Agwu in Catholicism, then we say that one of the gifts of the Holy Spirit includes wisdom, but in traditional Igbo spirituality, it is called Agwu.